नमस्कार येवकार. सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवलाच्या निमतान आम्ही जे डिफरंट क्युरेटर्स आसा तांच्या कडेन उलयता आनी आयज आजून एक असोच एक क्युरेटर जो जागतीक नामनेचो शेफ जावन आसा, शेफ थॉमस झॅक्रायस हो आयज आमच्या वांगडा आसा. सो ताच्या कडेन उलोवन ताणें कितें क्युरेट केला, ताचो विशय कितें आसा त्याच्या विशीं अधीक जाणा जावन घेवया. हॅलो शेफ.
Hi.
So you are here for Serendipity Arts Festival. 10th edition of this festival is going. We are going to celebrate. What you would like to say?
I think it's incredible that this festival has done so much around art and bringing it to people and making it accessible over the last 10 years. I'm particularly excited about what it's done for food. Started in 2017, but over the last 8 years, it's really given space for so many curators, artists, chefs, people from local communities in Goa to really put their food culture, their ideas, their practices out to public in new and interesting ways that makes people think about food differently.
So chef, what's your topic for this time?
So I've been a chef for close to 15 years, and a large part of that time has been spent traveling across India. I've been to 25 states in India exploring food, and through that I experienced a lot of food system issues and things that we're losing, like biodiversity, the loss of diversity on our plates. We're losing culinary traditions, we're losing heritage, we are losing, the farmers are losing a lot because of climate change and different factors. And so I wanted to create an experience, and this is what the starting point for my organization, the Lokova, was to challenge some of those food system issues. I wanted to bring that feeling of loss in a very real, immersive way to the festival, and it's being done through a project called What Does Loss Taste Like? So there's an immersive experience that spans across multiple rooms, and there are characters in the experience, and we've collaborated with an immersive production company called Immerse and Quasar from QTP to working along with sound engineers, light designers, set designers, script actors, all together to make people feel like they're in the year 2100 and experiencing what the world would look like, what India would look like in the year 2100 if we lose a lot of these traditions. So the idea is for people to really feel that sense of loss and feel like they need to do something about it.
So you are main into preserving the traditional recipes of India. Not only you are basically from Kerala,
Yes.
so but you are interested in overall Indian traditional recipes. Why it is so?
So my career in Indian food started about 11 years ago, and I've now been traveling across India to taste and research recipes, and I've seen how incredibly diverse, how special our food traditions are across the country, how unique they are, whether it's ingredients, techniques, recipes, stories, folklore, and a lot of it is slowly dying away. I mean, every time I travel somewhere, there'll be somebody in an older generation telling me that, you know, with our generation, this is getting lost. And no matter who you speak to, I'm sure you'll also feel the same way, right? So I wanted to, like, you know, do something about that, because what is the point of like what we are experiencing and doing now? And today we are so disconnected from the source of our food. Most of our food comes through an app. Most of we're on our phones all the time looking at 10-second reels, but we lost the connection with who grows our food. We used to know who brings fish to our homes. We used to know the vendor at the market. So I think all of that matters in making people feel more empathetic about where our food is coming from, what is going into it. That's what I'm trying to change.
So what's different people are going to experience during this Serendipity Arts Festival through your workshops?
So, I mean, Serendipity is great in the sense that there are so many different formats of expression that are used, from theatre, dance, art. This time we're doing immersive design, which is that you're going to step into a world, and for half an hour you'll be in that part of the experience. You'll feel like you're wearing an AR headset. You know, like everything is designed for that experience. From there's projection mapping. You're going to get to taste future foods. So you'll really feel like you're in the year 2100 and being taken through this journey of memory and loss and identity and tradition in a way that it really you feel it at your core. So I think in that sense, immersive experience is something that's going to be unique about the design, but at the very core, it's about what we stand to lose in terms of our food and food culture if we don't do something about it.
You are associated with Serendipity from last how many years?
I first did a workshop in 2019, and then in 2023 I was the culinary arts curator along with my organization, the Lokavo.
So how do you look at this festival? This year we are celebrating 10th edition of this festival. So what you would like to, what message you would like to give?
I think everyone needs to try and come and experience serendipity for themselves. There's nothing like it anywhere else in India, if not the world, because no other platform is there to bring so many different creative forces to the and to make it accessible for people. That the fact that it's done in a beautiful place like Panjim, the fact that and what's amazing about serendipity is that they entrust the curators and give them full autonomy to really bring their vision to life, and they're supportive of it, which is very, very rare. So I think my message is that, I hope serendipity lasts for another 100 years, and it gives many, many more people a chance to bring their ideas to life, and I hope lots and lots and lots of people come and experience the magic that is serendipity.